I bring you greetings from the Architectural Heritage PhD course. I will try to explain briefly the course main objective and also the study's approaches. Surely, architectural heritage has to be interpreted in a widest range, considering studies at different scales and different point of view, involving architectural heritage in relation to landscape, to urban areas, to museum, etc. One of the distinctive features that characterize the doctoral course for many years is the interdisciplinary approach to studies and research. We can list at least 8 research areas, and you can be aware of teams under study also from the website pages. One question can be if a candidate would choose to apply to this doctoral program will study all these subjects. Obviously not. In fact, a single candidate will choose one of these subjects and a research topic with a tutor, and usually will carry out a research in one subject or at least one subject with finalization involving another one. However, the exciting aspect that we think is characterizes this program is to be able to share one's research, the research in an interdisciplinary environment and follow the development of related research, etc. Also, the point of view of the candidate is essential. So, for example, the digital heritage is a topical field of study. The proposed research trajectories that enhance knowledge on digitization as the first step of the conservation plans are welcome and addressed. Another example of approach is the heritage at risk. In addition to climate change and many other risks that expose heritage to hazard, we need to consider that the intrinsic vulnerability of heritage is crucial. That imposes the need to protect using continuous maintenance in all the contexts. In order to summarize and conclude, we can say that architectural heritage constitutes the vast field of research in which the many specific scientific interests are focused, and in particular, the PhD course improves the awareness that the disciplinary method and research also constitute the foundation of every form of protection of heritage. In the PhD course, the knowledge, documentation, management, conservation of the built heritage are under attention. And then this course ensures that the spectral restoration and innovation projects are compatible with the value of the heritage. And also, this course ensured the cultural enhancement, promotion, and communication of the research and all the results. So that's all from my side.
Thank you very much, Professor, for this interesting presentation. I have a question for you before we move forward to the next presentation. Is any special learning background necessary to access this PhD course?
We can say that the background of a polytechnic school is suitable, but we had many in the past we had students from the archaeological field, but also other in the heritage domain. We can say that we expect that the students have a deeply priority point of view on the heritage awareness. So we cannot say that some specific background is needed. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Professor. Of course, to our participants, if you have further questions for the professor, you can place them on the Q&A box and we will answer them all at the end of the presentation. Thank you very much again, Professor Spanol. See you soon for the Q&A session.